Good day, students, teachers, and parents. Welcome to Mathfril. Today's lesson is all about special product, and our main topic is the product of a sum and difference of two terms. And the formula for this is this: given a plus b times a minus b, our product will be a squared minus b squared. So this is our formula. So let's have our first example. So here, for example, we have this given: find the product of x minus 4. So this is our for example, x minus 4 times x plus 4. To answer this, we just need to understand our formula. We must see or look for what is our a here, and that's our first term, and what is our b, our second term. In this example I have given, our first term here, our a, is x. And please don't confuse with the sign, because all you need to do here is to look for what is the number in that particular position, and the sign is always it's positive most of the time. So let's have here our b is 4, and if we square this one as what our formula stated here, we've got a squared x squared and b squared. Again, our b here is 4. 4 times 4 will give us 16, and that's our easy part there. So please don't forget the formula, because this is a very simple formula, and I hope you can familiarize yourself with this: the product of a sum and a difference of two terms. Why is it called that way? Because this is a product because of this parenthesis, and there's a sum for addition and difference for subtraction that will give us these two squares here. Now let's have our next example, the little bit difficult example. Let's have x squared minus, or it's a plus 10. Let's have 10, and we have to multiply this one with x squared again, but the only difference is the subtraction sign here. So what will be our answer? So again, the process for this is we just need to get the two squares here, the square of the first term and the square of the second term. Our first term here is x squared. So to square the x squared, x squared times 2 power, so we have 4. So the answer for this is x to the 4th power. That's our first term. Our second term is 10, and b squared will be 10 raised to the power of 2. 10 times 10, we've got 100. Very good. So unlike with this first example here, so the answer for this actually is just the combination of our given answer, so it should be subtraction. So this should be subtraction. X squared minus 16, and this one, in the same manner, we just need to get the a squared and b squared here and put the subtraction sign. So therefore, x squared plus 10 multiplied by x squared minus 10 our answer should be x to the fourth power, because of this, minus 100. So that's the easy and the average. Let's have a difficult one. Third and last example. X squared y minus the 4w again multiplied by the same term numbers, but the only difference here is the sign plus 4w. So in this example, we've got the same terms, but the only difference is the sum or difference, or the sum difference. So in this case, the same process, we have to get the square of the first term. Our first term here is x squared y. So if we want to get its square term, so x squared y raised to the power of 2, 2 times 2, x to the power of 4. So here, so x squared y, this will give us x to the fourth power y squared. This is our first term. And our second term here is 4w. So 4w, again b is so 4w. In the second term we must square this one, so b squared, so 4w raised to the power of 2, and this will give us 4 times 4, which is 16, and w times w, which is w squared. So 16w squared. So our final answer for this difficult problem is just to combine the two squared answers. So here, therefore x raised to the power of 2 y minus 4w times x squared y plus 4w will give us, their product will be x raised to the power of 4y squared minus 16w squared. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and I hope you learned something today. Good day and have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching.